Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. This flavor pairing brings together rich cocoa and vibrant green pistachios in a way your taste buds won't forget. Bright green pistachios have taken over modern desserts. Gelato, croissants, truffles, even hot cocoa mixes are going green. When you pair them with chocolate, the flavors click in a way that feels both fresh and classic. Meet the pistachio chocolate duo, the green gold nut mixed with everyone's favorite treat. This video breaks down why the combo tastes so good, where to find it, and quick ways to make it at home without fuss. Ready to snack smarter and tastier? Why pistachio and chocolate are the ultimate flavor combination. The magic sits in contrast. Chocolate is smooth and rich. Pistachios are crunchy and slightly salty. That back and forth pulls you in with every bite. You also get a balance of sweet and earthy. Chocolate brings cocoa notes and sweetness. Pistachios add a buttery, aromatic edge. It feels indulgent, but it never gets cloying. Your taste buds get a little spark, then a finish that lingers. What makes pistachios taste so special? Pistachios have a gentle sweetness, a warm, earthy tone, and strong aromatic notes. Think toasty, a little floral, a touch of pine. The scent alone hints at flavor before you bite. Their natural oiliness boosts flavor, since fat carries aroma. That same oiliness helps pistachios taste rich without heaviness. The crunch is crisp, not hard, which plays well with chocolate, whether you use a creamy ganache or a snappy bar. Dark, milk, or white, which chocolate pairs best with pistachios. Each type of chocolate hits a different mood. Here is a quick guide to help you choose. Chocolate type. Dark, 60 to 85% cacao. Bitterness cuts through nut richness. Sharp cocoa makes pistachio pop. Best for sophisticated bars, truffles, grown-up bark. Milk. Creamy and sweet. A crowd-pleasing middle ground. Best for everyday snacks, cookies, kids' treats. White. Lets color and delicate flavor shine. Sweet base highlights aromatics. Best for eye-catching bark, mousse, gelato swirls. Dark chocolate gives contrast and a deep cocoa finish. Milk chocolate smooths edges and feels cozy, like a candy you loved as a kid. White chocolate, while sweet, is a great canvas for pistachios' green color and perfume. Simple ways to bring pistachio chocolate into your kitchen. You do not need pastry school to enjoy this pairing. Start small, use what you have and build from there. Easy DIY treats, making pistachio chocolate bark in clusters. Bark takes minutes and looks fancy. Use good chocolate and fresh nuts. That is the whole trick. Line a baking sheet with parchment. Melt chocolate in a microwave-safe bowl, 30-second bursts, stir between. Or use a double boiler. Spread the melted chocolate in a thin layer, about 1/8 inch thick. Sprinkle with chopped pistachios. Add a pinch of flaky salt if you like. Chill for 20 to 30 minutes, then break into pieces. Want clusters instead? Mix melted chocolate with whole or chopped pistachios until coated. Spoon mounds onto parchment. Chill until set. Flavor ideas to try. Citrus zest. A little lemon or orange zest brightens dark chocolate bark. Cardamom. A pinch adds a floral spice that loves pistachios. Dried fruit. Chopped apricots or cherries add chew and color. Storage tip. Keep bark or clusters in an airtight container and in a cool, dry place. If your kitchen runs warm, store in the fridge, but let the pieces sit at room temp before serving for the best texture. Next up we'll explore quick DIY treats you can make in minutes. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.